Hello, hi, cheers everyone. Welcome to One Day One Maths. So, the concept of this video, we're going to go through some simple mathematics. So, today I'll be talking about inverse functions and a basic concept on that. So, basically, when you talk about inverse functions, it's as simple as you have a function. Let's say you have a function of fx equal to 2x. Okay, and let's say this is your object, this is your image. Okay, so let's say you have an object of 2, then your image will be 4. Okay, so the inverse of that, when you set the function of f inverse, in that case your object will be 4 and your solution for that you'll get 2. That's the whole idea of inverse function. So now let me brief you on how to solve a pretty simple inverse function. So let's say you have a function gx equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, so how do you solve an inverse of this? First, what you must do, let gx equal to y. Okay, so your gx, you replace that with y, and then you get 3x plus 5. Okay, and then you do the algebra, y and then plus 5, you move it to the left, you get minus 5, 3x, and then the 3 is the product of x. So the product, when you move it to the left, it becomes division x, and then you can write this as well, 5 over 3. And now is about writing the inverse function, basically g inverse x. So your object would be x, right? So you're replacing your y to your x, so you get x minus 5 divided by 3. So what happened here? So let's say your g, you are substituting 1 in your main function. Okay, so here we are looking into this equation, which is basically your gx equal to 3x plus 5. If I substitute 1 here, it will become 3, 1 plus 5, you will get 8, correct? So now I'm going to do the same thing. Instead of putting, so what will happen in the inverse function, your image will become your object will become your image. So when I have this function of g inverse x, so in this case my g inverse 8, I should be getting 1, like what I mentioned to you. Let's try that out. G inverse x equal to x minus 5 divided by 3. So I'm going to substitute my g inverse 8. So I get 8 minus 5 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3, I'm getting 1. That's it. That's all. Alright, hope you guys learned something out of it. Alright, thank you.